Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a Samsung Galaxy Tab A that won't hold a charge. I'll be going over some easy fixes that will hopefully help you solve your problem of your tablet not holding a battery charge. Let's get right into the video. Step number one is to restart the device. So press and hold down the power button till you get to the screen and click that restart button. You want to restart the device because sometimes it might be a software issue, and restarting the device will hopefully reset it and sort of reset that software issue and fix the problem. Step number two, if that doesn't work, is you want to unplug the charger and plug it back in a few times. So obviously this is not connected to any wall outlet, so nothing's going to happen. But you want to basically unplug the charger and plug it back in a few times. So plug it back in, unplug it back in, unplug it. Just do this a couple times, okay? Carefully in and out just like that. See if that solves the problem. Sometimes there's just not a great connection between the charging cable and the charging port. And doing that will, hopefully create a little bit of a better connection. If that doesn't work, you're going to go to step number three, which is let it charge for a few hours. Sometimes you just need to plug it in and let that battery juice up to 100%. Okay? Now, most of the time, within a few hours, you can juice up that battery to 100%. So plug it in and just let it sit for a few hours. Don't touch it. Just let it stay plugged in and charging for a few hours. And hopefully that solves the problem. If not, you're going to move on to step number four, which is to actually examine the charging port for debris. So you want to go ahead, look at the charging port for debris. And what you can do is you can get that air duster can to spray it with air, or just use your mouth and blow into the charging port with some air just like that to hopefully clean out any debris. Then try charging it up, because sometimes what happens, or what can happen on a very rare occasion, is that essentially it's making a connection, but it's not making a good connection. So the battery looks like it's charging, but in reality, it's not really charging effectively. So with that being said, you want to try and clear out any dirt, debris, or dust in the charging port to hopefully allow the charger and the tablet to make a better connection. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.